everyone, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Today I'm coming at you with my current favourites, and I've not really loved loads of things recently to the point where I can call it like a February favourites, because to be honest with you, I don't tend to try out so many new products anymore. I don't have the time, the money or anything like that to kind of constantly buy new things, so I'm just going to do a current favourites and I hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first few things I'm going to go through are not physical items I can just sort of pick up and show you. It's more of a case of things I've been enjoying doing or things I've loved that I don't have on hand. So yeah, hopefully that's not too annoying, but I'm going to start with those. The first thing I have been loving recently has actually been the gym. Now, I'm not a gym person. I've never been a gym person. I used to absolutely love sport when I was at school. I used to do sports 7 days a week, all the time. I'd be very, very fit and I would do a lot of exercise. However, since leaving school, I've just stopped doing it. I stopped going to the gym, and then I started going to the gym, and then I stopped going to the gym, and it was kind of an on and off thing for the past 4 years, where I've gone to the gym for a few months, stopped for like 6 months, gone back a little bit, then stopped, and it's kind of been up and down like that. But recently I joined a gym which is about 2 minutes down the road from where I live. All of my friends from work go there and it's just very convenient, and my boyfriend also goes there, so it means when he goes to the gym, I go to the gym, because then I have no excuse to not go, because all I'm going to be doing while he's not at home is just sit and watch TV. So it makes me go to the gym, which is really, really cool. Going on from that, I would absolutely love you guys to recommend me some gym wear, because I know a lot of gym companies that sell amazing clothes, but I need people to let me know whether they're actually worth the money or not. So I'd love some recommendations from you guys down below. That would be absolutely amazing. And going on from that, I've also really loved a company called Women's Best, and they sell things like protein shakes, meal replacement shakes, pills for stuff, teas for things. Like, I actually really love their products. So I've got 2 of their teas, which are the energizing teas, which I really love. One in strawberry lemonade, which I found in Boots, and one in peach iced tea, which is also really good. The only thing I would say is they're not cheap. So the one from Boots was £24, which is ridiculous, but I wanted more variety because I was getting really bored of the peach one. I also have a meal replacement shake, which I wouldn't recommend for everybody, but I do want to lose weight, so that's why I bought that. And I'm kind of having that as lunch while I'm at work, and then I'm having breakfast and I'm having dinner, so that's kind of what I'm doing at the moment. And in that package I also had the weight loss pill things. I've not tried them yet, so I don't know how they're gonna work, and I will keep you guys updated with that if you want me to. Definitely on my Instagram, if not on here as well, but I'm really excited to give those a go. And I'm not doing all this in one go, so what I'm going to do is do the pills for a week, the shake for a week, and kind of chop and change just to see which works best for me. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I've also been loving those. So that's 2 of my favourites. Sort of related to that has actually been an Instagrammer, and her name is Fitness Fee, and I've really been enjoying her Instagram account this month. I've been using it for workouts, I've been using it for food inspiration. She's the person that introduced me to Women's Best as well, and she's actually such a lovely girl as well. I actually message her from time to time on Instagram about Women's Best and products I've used and what her advice would be on certain gym equipment and leggings and stuff. Like, I've been really enjoying it. So yeah, she's a lovely girl, so I definitely give her a little look on Instagram. She has loads of followers on Instagram as well, and she definitely deserves it because she seems to know her stuff. So yeah, give her a follow. Her name is Fitness Fee and she's lovely, so yeah, give her a little look at if you want to. That didn't make any sense. Just check out her Instagram, you won't regret it. The next item is an item which I could show you, but I don't have on me at this specific point in time, and that's a pair of Beats headphones. I bought them recently. I was going to buy some ages ago. I put it off and put it off because they're so expensive, but then they came out with the Disney edition, limited edition ones, and I was like, well, just gonna have to buy those, aren't I? So I bought them and I am absolutely obsessed. I love it because I wear them when I'm walking to work, or sometimes I take them to the gym. It depends on what I'm doing at the gym. So if I'm doing like weights and stuff, I tend to just not have them on, or I'll take them and do that. But yeah, I've been honestly obsessed with them. And if you go onto Very, this is not sponsored by the way, if you go onto Very, I think you can get a pair of the sort of gold ones for like £150, so they're really affordable, and you can pay it over a certain amount of months as well. I know a lot of my friends have done that because we've kind of all bought them recently, so I would definitely have a look on Very if you want to get them, and I absolutely love them, so I would definitely recommend them. And the last favourite that I'm going to share with you that's not a physical item is a bit of a weird one, because as you guys would have known, about 6 months ago in August I moved out from my parents' house, which is where I'm filming now, into a flat of my own with my friend Zoe, and now it's been 6 months. Our tenancy was only 6 months. We have moved back out again and we haven't fallen out or anything like that, but we just realised that renting a house, sorry, a flat even, is just so expensive. Like, we were spending so much money in a place that didn't have Wi-Fi. The noise was ridiculous. Like, don't get me wrong, so many amazing memories were made in that flat. However, there were just so many issues that we had from start to finish. I will make a video on this if you guys want, because there was so much drama that I feel like it would be a waste not to share. However, I also feel like, I don't know, it's up to you guys. Let me know if you guys want to hear these stories about it, but honestly, yeah, it was just very dramatic and a lot went down in that flat, so let me know down below if you want to hear about that. But yeah, we've moved out. I'm basically living now with my boyfriend and his mum and his dog and his brother, because I'm basically there all the time. So yeah, I have my room at home, obviously, which my parents have never got rid of, so I'm quite lucky in that aspect that they don't need the room for anything, so that this is always still my room, and this is where I'm going to be filming my videos, and my setup is going to be like this. I hope you guys don't mind. I would love some lights and I would love, you know, a really cute background, but my room as it stands just doesn't have the space for that, so this is going to have to do, and I hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, that's where I'm living at the moment. I'm living at his house, which if you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram you would have seen all my stories. That's where I am, so yeah. That's kind of an update slash favourite of mine, because I've just been really enjoying it, so good. Now moving on to all the physical favourites. I have rambled on for about 10 minutes about all my other favourites, so now I'm moving on to all the physical ones. The first one is something I'm wearing, and that is my Apple Watch. Now, I've mentioned this many times. I've honestly had this for like 1.5 years to 2 years now, and I've just recently got back into wearing it. Now, the only thing with Apple Watches that I don't like is that you have to charge it, and that sounds really stupid, but when it fully dies, I forget to charge it, and that's when I kind of stop wearing it. So I just need to get into a habit of constantly putting it on charge and constantly wearing it, and yeah, I absolutely love this. I have it set on a few different backgrounds. I really like this one. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can see. Nice peachy colour, but I've just updated it with my phone, and there's so many more things you can do with it. So yeah, absolutely loving that. One of my faves definitely for the past month. Love it. The next favourite of mine has actually been sheet masks. These are just two that I have on hand, which are the Sephora sheet masks, and I've been really enjoying using these. I've got so many sheet masks at Lewis's house that I use all the time, and I honestly just can't get enough of them. I really like them. I like how easy they are, and they're just a quick put on, quick take off, and you can do it while you're in bed. You can watch TV with it on and you haven't got to get up and go to the sink and wash it. So I really like this, probably just because the lazy person inside me really likes them. But yeah, I've been absolutely obsessed with these, and I just think they're really convenient, and I tend to get all mine from Superdrug, and they're usually about £1.99 or something like that, so not overly expensive. But yeah, really like sheet masks this month, have been obsessed. My next favourite is something you would have seen me wear in a previous video, and that is scrunchies. Now, scrunchies, I find for me, it just really make a hairstyle look so much better, because I've got short hair now, like I can't do much with it, so a scrunchie just kind of makes it look cute, and I really like it. I usually have it like half up, half down, or in a high ponytail with a scrunchie, and I just think it makes it look a little bit more put together, and I just really like how it holds my hair. I feel like these sort of elastics get a bit stuck in my hair, whereas these don't, so I would highly recommend a scrunchie. This is from Claire's Accessories. It was £4.50, and I got 6 of them because they were on offer, so really like these. So the next thing is something a little bit boring, but it's something which I've been constantly using for about 1 year now, and I feel like I've never mentioned it before, and that is the Simple Cleansing Face Wipes. Now these I've absolutely loved for so long. I always use them. I hate to say it, I'm a makeup wipe user. I don't like using cleanser and toner. I don't have time for that. Like, my lifestyle is very quick and very on the go, and I go to work, I come back from work, I go to the gym, I come home, I cook dinner, I eat my dinner, I have a shower, and I go to bed. Like, that's basically what I do every day of the week, so these are just really convenient and really handy, and I've just always really like these, and I would definitely give these a go if you want some nice gentle face wipes and you're lazy like me. My current fashion favourite of the past month has been this top from Adidas. Now, my boyfriend bought me this when we went to Plymouth to visit his family, and I absolutely love it. I've wanted this top for honestly months. It's just the black Adidas top with the stripes down the sleeves. It's got the thicker sort of jumper type sleeves, and it's just the long one, and I honestly absolutely love this top. I've worn it to death already. I like to tie it up in the middle and wear it with high-waisted jeans, and it's just really casual but still keeps you nice and warm because it's got the long sleeves. I really love this. I've worn it to death so many times already. I think it was about 25 to 35 pounds, I can't quite remember, but they do have it in a mint green and they do have it in a baby pink, and I really want them both because it's just so comfortable. So I'm probably going to have to buy that for myself in the near future, definitely. In every one of these videos I do like to try and include a perfume, especially if my perfume favourite has changed, and recently I've been absolutely obsessed with the Daisy Love perfume by Marc Jacobs, and it looks like this. This perfume I got for Christmas and I'm honestly obsessed with it. It's just such a lovely smell. I'm just going to have to... It's just so fresh. I absolutely love it. It's just really lovely. This is the 100ml bottle and I'm just really grateful for it because I absolutely love this one. Good 10 out of 10 perfume, that. The next item is a lip gloss, and I'm not really a lip gloss kind of person, but this one I have used for so long and I've just recently grabbed it again and using it sort of on a daily basis, just a tiny bit, just to kind of make me look a bit more alive, and that is the Urban Decay Naked Lip Gloss in the shade... I want to say it's called Sesso or Sesso. It's S-E-S-S-O. I've been really enjoying using this. It's a really pretty nude colour, has a really nice wand on the end, really easy to apply, and I've just been really liking it. The only thing I don't like is the smell, because it smells like green tea and that's just like not my favourite thing. So other than that, I do really like this and I would definitely recommend it if you can buy it. It came in the set with the Naked on the Run, no, what was it called? It was the Naked palette that came with this, a mascara, an eyeliner, the eyeshadows and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what this came with, but I really like it. And last but definitely not least is a foundation favourite, and that is the Fenty Beauty Foundation, and I have this in the shade... What shade is this? I have no idea. It's this one. And I have one today. I really like it. It's not a light foundation by all means. It's definitely on the heavier side personally. However, I do really like this, and especially for filming videos, I like to wear foundation and I like to kind of properly do my makeup, so I tend to go for something like this anyway. But yeah, really love this. If you've not given Fenty Beauty a try, give it a go because it is incredible and it's just so nice. And it's not overly expensive. I think this was like £21 to £29 or something, so it's definitely affordable, I think, compared to a lot of other high-end foundations, so I would definitely give this a go. So that is everything I have been loving this month. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, because as soon as we get to 10,000 I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway of loads of products I absolutely am obsessed with. So please do subscribe if you're not already, and I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!